Seeing emergency calls only on your Red Pocket phone means your SIM card isn't fully activated on the network. Red Pocket, like Straight Talk, relies on proper SIM provisioning to give you full service. This issue prevents you from making regular calls or using data, and it often stems from problems during the SIM activation process or incorrect network settings. Thankfully, it's usually fixable through a few key steps: SIM activation, network selection, and APN configuration. First, ensure your SIM card is correctly activated. Use the Red Pocket app or website and enter your SIM's ICCI to register it. Activation can take up to 24 hours. Next, manually select the correct network in your phone's settings. Go to Settings, then Network and Internet, SIMs, and Network Operators. Choose the network that matches your Red Pocket SIM, such as Verizon or AT&T. Finally, configure your APN settings. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, SIMs, Access Point Names. Use the APN specific to your carrier, such as VZ Internet for Verizon or NXT Gen Phone for T-Mobile. Correcting these settings should restore full service. If issues persist, contact Red Pocket support.